Thank you, Joe. I think one important element that we'd like to mention about this particular product is the flexibility with which one can sign up and also track their benefit, as it was been well put by Jared. And we're saying for you to be able to sign up for this particular product by just simply going to your phones and dialing *887#, you'll be able to sign up for the product. And once you've signed up for the product using the same USSD number, that is *887#, you'll be able to check your balance and at least keep track of the monies that you are putting aside. So for us,
somebody would ask, Cynthia, and for us to sign up for this product, how old are you supposed to be? What's the minimum age somebody is supposed to be able to sign up?
As young as 18, as long as you are a citizen of this country and gotten your national ID and you're able to get an income from one place or another, you can be able to sign up. So any age from 18 and above. We're saying that this product is very flexible. We can do even as low as 100 shilling, be it per month, per day, per week, depending on the person's financial strength. So you can do as low as 100 bob or 20 bob, because the issue here is for you to be able to put something aside for those sunset years. So you can do as minimum as 100 shillings. This has been put by Jared that this is a retirement plan. So the basis of this particular product is for you to have something to take care of you in your sunset years or at your point of retirement. So we normally say or encourage individuals, once you start saving for this particular product, give yourself a target of, say, on average, I think every Kenyans retire from any age from 50. So at the age of 50 is when you can probably come back and say you want your benefits. But then again, this is a personal pension plan. That means it's for you to determine when you want to access the benefit. So in as much as a business would encourage you to access at the point of retirement, because the key essence of this particular product is to save for retirement, you also have the flexibility of accessing as and when need arises. Because
thank you very much. Maybe another question I'd like to pose to you, Cynthia. Can somebody be employed and still take up the Kilele Plan?
Yes, definitely, because we believe as individuals we need to ensure that we have a good cushioning at the point of retirement. So the employer may be graciously set up a pension plan, but as an individual you feel you need more so that you are as comfortable as possible during your retirement years. So we'd encourage, yes, you can also open your own individual plan in as much as you already have a pension plan that is existing with your employer.
The advantage of investing with us is that if you have, let's say, that 500 shillings, you may not know what to do with the money at any one time. But if you put it with the insurer, you are getting the benefit of the best experts in investment and be able to give you a better return than you would if you had decided to buy maybe Sukuma Wiki and sold. So our pension has traditionally been reporting good returns. So and we do have our pension scheme is actually guaranteed, because things could go wrong. So, but the lowest we can never pay you is 5%. You can never lose what you put in, but in actual sense, our returns have been above 11% since 2015.
Thank you very much. I think I would address that question in two. The first one would be if someone is interested in knowing a consolidated balance in his pension account or in his Kilele account. That one you can just access by dialing the *887#. You'd be able to see. At the same time, Pioneer as a company has invested in a client-friendly portal, address of which we can share here so that members would be able to know. It's portal.pioneerassurance.co.ke. Any member who has already registered into the Kilele Plan would be able to just access, create an account with a personal email, so long as you know your ID and PIN number. Once you get in there, you will now get a statement which also comes in two. There is a statement that indicates balances, contributions, consolidated contributions, and also also the investment income that you've earned. But then again, there is another statement that is much more detailed if someone would want to know on a month-by-month basis how much have I put in. So we would be calling it a contribution statement. So once you are in the portal, you will be able to see, track everything that relates to your account, depending on what needs you have. So Kilele Plan, the cover that it has that would have the life component is the last expense. Now that is the Kilele Plus, which is optional. A client can sign in, just pay a premium that they would be indicated, then they would be covered. It's purely a last expense policy that takes care of funeral expenses.
Yeah, we've been in this business for quite a while. We've been in the business since 2007. That's about 12 years. 12 years or so. So we've been in this business for quite a while.
This product is to be run by the people who are marketing it and those who are administering it. Like Joe has indicated, we already have an approval by the RBA to distribute Kilele. So I think this is an authority. Thank you so much.